Hi everyone, this is Majid and today with my very beautiful friend from.
Thank you. From Turkmenistan.
Today we're gonna go and enjoy Korean uniform thing. It's called gyobok. Have you ever tried it?
No, actually never.
Never? I never
tried hanbok, but never that
Exactly,
one.
I tried hanbok, and especially like in my school, like when I was studying in Pakistan, I was having the army uniform. But these the Korean gyobok ones are so pretty,
different,
so
yes,
pretty. Yeah.
I know. I'm so excited.
Yay. Oh, I know she's like from Uzbekistan.
Exactly.
I have a picture with her. So guys, they say like this is the Sejal Yegyo, the most beautiful uniforms in the world. So maybe they will have Sevinch picture now after today's visit.
No.
Yeah, we need to have your picture, Sevinch.
The place we went is called Gamsong Kyobok, located in the Jamshil area. Because of the corona, they are opening from 9 am until 8:30 pm, and here is their address and telephone number. If you have Discover Soul Pass, you can get up to 20% discount.
Okay, so we are right now inside and she is having her temperature checked up. 32? 너무 적네. It's so low. Seven, 무슨 문제 있어? You have some problem?
So if you want to try the Kyobok inside the shop, it's 15,000, but if you want to go out, then it's 20,000 Korean won.
Wow, so they have this Harry Potter dress also. Wow, they have these classes also. Oh my god.
I think I got my color. It's Christmas, so we go with the red.
Red and white. Oh, perfect.
Yes,
That's a
so
good
good
choice.
matching, right?
Good. Okay, so now let's see which one I should go for. Oh, looks cool, right? Wow.
Wow, this is so beautiful.
Yeah, guys.
Wow, this school is really luxury.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Guys, how I'm looking. Serge, how is it?
Wow, Majid. Wow, I like your tie. The tie is amazing, and the jacket.
Yeah.
Yay, looking
So now
cool.
let's see how Sevinch is gonna look like. So Sevinch is gonna come out. She has, tried the new clothes. Let's see. Okay, Sevinch, we're waiting for you.
1, 2,
3.
Ta-da!
Oh, Yoshi,
What's it?
it's so beautiful.
It's good?
Wow, it's
I
so beautiful.
like it. This is red because it's Christmas
Christmas.
right now. So, what is interesting in Korea and
And even we recorded that on video.
sorry.
So guys, let us talk about Discover Seoul Pass. It's a must thing, if you come to South Korea. I guess everyone, or even if you're living in South Korea, I guess it's a pretty cool thing. They have 48 hours cards and then 72 and 24, 48 and 72. With this pass, you can go to so many places for free. For many places like Gamsong Kyobok, you can even have a discount up to 20%, up to 50%. So I guess that's pretty cool.
What I also noticed that it's mentioned here T-money. So it means that included transportation, right? So
Yeah.
it's really amazing.
And you know what?
Oh, that's
If you are
amazing.
going back to the airport, you can have one free ride with this card also.
Oh wow!
From south to the
Right.
airport, in Airport, you can have one free ride. So I guess it's pretty cool thing.
Like this.
And yeah, guys, please, if you guys
Which
come
one
to
you
South
want?
Korea, or if you guys have,
Choose yours.
choose yours. Okay, so now we are going to this our classroom. Time for studying, guys. Let's go.
Okay.
Honestly, I'll come to school every day if my class was like that. And if my teacher was like Sevinch. So Sevinch's writing Pakistan Saranghamnida, like she likes Pakistan.
너무 사랑해.
Pakistan Saranghamida. don't know anything about Harry Potter. I never seen. Have you seen it? Have you seen?
Don't ask this question, Majid. Don't ask this question because people gonna hate us.
Yeah,
People gonna hate us. I have not watched the Harry Potter. as well.
Guys, we didn't. That's why we
Please
didn't try
don't
this.
kill us.
Both of us haven't watched Harry Potter. I'm so sorry, guys. But if you guys know Harry Potter, if you love them, and I'm sure you guys do, you can come here and try the Harry Potter costume. But this is the uniform. They must have Gryffindors. Okay, this is one of the house was Gryffindors. I know that.
Yeah.
Slytherin.
So this is how to differentiate.
So all the different houses they have their own costumes.
What is this bag? Look at this bag. This may be also something.
Oh, Hogwarts. Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
Wow.
Hogwarts.
That's cool one.
No, that's for you, just I guess, right? So guys, this is for Sevinch. 이거 교복 입었을 때가 제일 예뻐. So once you, actually 항상 예쁘지.
아 그래?
But it says if you wear the kyobuk, like the Korean uniform, you are the most beautiful. You look
But
the most beautiful.
look, it's really beautiful, right?
Exactly.
So going to school is actually something fashion.
Fashion. Yeah.
Really.
It's not like you're feeling bad, like oh I don't want to go.
Yeah, and you can do really nice makeup. So, guys, there is one thing special about this place is left, and and then we will show you that place.
Okay. And now we will show you.
Da-dun, da-da-dun. So
Very-
we will show you very special place,
Very
right?
special
About
place.
I think that is my favorite will be
Oh.
yes about this place.
Let's see Seven's
So-
choice then.
Yeah.
Let's
Okay.
see.
Let's go with us.
I hope she won't disappoint us. Let's go. Guys, so we are right now at the top, the rooftop of Gamsong Kyobok. It's a perfect place for photos, right?
Really, like
Yeah.
I didn't know that this building had such amazing place in here.
Exactly.
Yeah, and look at here. What is this?
So that one is the Lotte World, the amusement park, and this is the lake, Sokcho Lake. And Sanj, what we have here? What is this?
Lotte Tower.
Exactly, Lotte
It's
Tower,
really
the tallest
beautiful.
building. And especially at night, I guess this look like with the lake,
Yeah.
the lightning is gonna look super.
Yeah,
cool, very
guys,
pretty.
come in the evening. I
Yeah.
guess at night it will be
It's gonna be
really
very
amazing
romantic.
landscape. So Majid, how's your feelings in here?
Yeah, amazing. Honestly, guys, I loved it so much, and that was the first time I tried the Korean uniform.
Me too, me
And-
too. And I'm in love with this,
Yeah,
really.
I love it.
I'm planning to come again
Okay.
to try different
And guys,
colors
you can try like different outfits also as many times as you want. It's highly recommended place. So using the Discover Seoul Pass, if you come here, you can get a discount of 20%. So please do come here. Amazing place. Right now we're gonna go to Color Pool Museum. So let's
have
go.
your pass card.
Pass card ready. Okay guys, so right now we are at Insadong and we're gonna go to the Color Pool Museum. Insadong is, have you been to Insadong before?
For sure.
For sure, because
it's
it's-
my favorite place actually.
Oh, it's very popular among tourists and it's famous for traditional markets and souvenirs.
We should delete it. Foreigners came here.
The place name is Color Pool Museum. It is located in the Insadong area. Because of the corona, they are operating from 11 a.m. until 8 p.m. And here is their website and telephone number. The ticket price is 15,000 for adults and 12,000 Korean won for kids. But if you come here with Discover Seoul Pass, you get a free admission.
So guys, right now we are at Color Pool
Look
Museum.
at this pinky atmosphere. It's so cool. And I can already see from here. So many
Wow.
balls.
So we're gonna go right now inside and let's have fun.
Yay!
No, it's good. Sevinch, how was it? Did you like the color pool?
It's such an amazing experience, guys. I'm excited for my Instagram pictures.
Super cool. And guys, if you are Instagrammer, this place is a must visit place, because also if you have this Discover Seoul Pass, you can come here for free. I hope you guys like this video. So if you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. Take care and
It's
bye-bye.
fun in Seoul. Come to discover.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.